Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust screen timeout on Facebook or screensaver. And to change that you will need to go ahead to your system settings. So I have them here. If you don't have them, just go ahead on the search bar and search for them. System settings right there and open them up. Now once you have opened them up, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see lock screen. And from here, you will see a screensaver when inactive, when you want it to start. So wait 20 minutes or less or more, whatever. Or you can always choose never. Again, if you are on battery and not power adapter, you also want to choose different times, however you like them, and also require password after screensaver begins or display is turned off. So after 5 minutes, you will need to again enter your passcode. So that's basically it, what you can do here. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.